Hey guys, Wilson here. Are you still trying to save Disney Plus shows to your hard drive using a standard screen recorder? Stop doing that. You are wasting your time and ruining your video quality. We all hate it when our favorite series suddenly disappear from platforms without warning. So having a local backup is essential. Because Disney Plus strictly blocks PC web downloads, standard recording tools will hit you with 3 fatal workflow killers. First, the DRM black screen. You will capture the audio track perfectly, but the video will be pitch black. Second, zero efficiency. To save a 2-hour movie, your screen is held hostage for 2 hours in real time. Third, messy visuals. You inevitably record your mouse cursor or random system pops up, ruining the immersive cinematic experience. If you want to build a pristine offline media library, you need to drop the traditional method and use a system built specifically for streaming capture, RecordFab. When you launch RecordFab, you aren't just opening a recorder, you're opening a secure simulated browser environment. Find a Disney Plus in the alphabetical list and click it. Inside this built-in browser, log into your Disney Plus account. Find your target episode, like the new Star Wars model series, and simply press play. Forget about manually cropping windows or forcing full-screen moves. The system handles the framing automatically. Just let it play naturally. Here is the exact cheat code to bypass real-time recording. Once the video plays, hit the start button and look at the advanced speed settings. You can push this capture system up to 5x speed. I just run the benchmark data for this video. Processing exactly 1 minute of high-efficiency footage only took my system 25 seconds. This non-real-time capture pipeline effectively cuts the time it takes to archive a full TV season by over 70%. Hit OK, minimize the window, and let it run silently in the background. Your computer remains completely free for your actual work, gaming, or browsing. Now, just settle for blurry screen recordings that look terrible on a big screen. Let's look at the raw MediaInfo data from my test, because the numbers simply do not lie. First, true 1080p at massive 10,000 kbps bitrate. For dark, high contrast scenes like lightsaber battles, you absolutely need this data rate to prevent ugly pixelation and compression blocks. When you cast this to a 4K TV, you will immediately see the difference. Second, it locks in a native 24 frames per second. This guarantees an authentic cinematic feel, avoiding those annoying micro stutters caused by software forcing 60 FPS conversions. Finally, the auto-clean feed. The software intelligently crosses out the address bar and cursor. You get a flawless 16:9 file instantly. If you use metadata scrappers for your Plex or MB servers, this means zero manual video editing on your end. Also, as Disney Plus pushes more live events, standard downloaders tend to crash on live feeds. But RecordFab's underlying architecture stably captures real-time broadcasts. It perfectly maintains audio-video synchronization, even if your local network experiences a brief lag. So let's break down your options. If your primary goal is high-speed background efficiency to quickly build your local media server, RecordFab is your most reliable system. But what if you are a hardcore data purist building a high-end home theater? If you want to bypass capturing entirely and extract the raw untouched server file directly, you need the flagship tile tool, StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader. It is the only tool on the market that natively processes 4K Disney Plus streams while perfectly preserving original Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos audio tracks. Whether you optimize for speed with RecordFab or demand ultimate studio-grade quality with StreamFab, you need to test these workflows yourself. The free trial links are in the description below. Go grab them, run your own benchmarks, and upgrade your media library today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.